Hi guys, how are you? Ready for our speaking practice? Okay, we're gonna continue reviewing irregular verbs, the second form of irregular verbs. So I'm gonna ask you questions, something like, did you go to school yesterday? And you need to say, yes, I went to school yesterday. So you could use the second form of irregular verbs. Okay, make sure you answer in a full sentence so you could get the most of this practice. Okay, let's start. Did you leave your book in the classroom? And now answer in a full sentence, please. Yes, I left my book in the classroom. Leave, left. How did you feel this morning? You can say, I felt great. Feel, felt. Did you drive to work yesterday? Yes, I drove to work yesterday. Drive, drove. Did your telephone ring 5 minutes ago? Yes, my telephone rang 5 minutes ago. Ring, rang. What did you win? I won a prize. Win, won. Did you sing in the shower this morning? Yes, I sang in the shower. I never sing in the shower. Did you shake your head? Yes, I shook my head. What did you hide in your drawer? Drawer is kind of like a shelf that you pull out and you put stuff in there. So what did you hide in your drawer? I hid money. Hide, hid. What did you tell your friend? What did you tell your friend? I told her that she's beautiful. How long did you stand at the bus stop? I stood there for 2 hours. I stood at the bus stop for 2 hours. Actually, it happened to me one day. I stood at the bus stop for 2 hours. Did you pay your bills? Oh yeah, I paid my bills. Pay, paid. How long did you sleep last night? I slept 7 hours. What did you send to your friends? I sent them money, or I sent them a present, or I sent them flowers. Send, send. Did you ride a bicycle or you rode a horse? I rode a bicycle. Did you catch a cold? Yes, I caught a cold. Like I got sick. I caught a cold. Okay, great job. Thank you for practicing with me.